Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel or stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for today's adventure. Today we are here at the SLS in Las Vegas. It is right off of Sahara and Las Vegas Boulevard, so I'm going to walk through here, show you a little bit of the hotel, show you a little bit of the casino. If you don't recognize the SLS, it's been around for about 4 years now. It opened in August of 2014, so a little over 4 years this place has been here. If you remember, this used to be the old Sahara, but the roller coaster and everything on the outside, they've removed all that, so that's all gone. So right away, the first thing that I noticed, it smells absolutely beautiful in here. They have this awesome mirror glass plate thing. That's pretty sweet. Here's your hotel check-in. So if you guys are staying here at the beautiful SLS, this is the place to check in at. They also have Monorail station up here. It's one of the last ones that you can take. I think it ends at the West Gate here in SLS is the last stop. So if you guys are doing the Las Vegas Monorail, this is one of the last stopping points for that station, so it's a definite great way to get up and down the strip within a short amount of time. I think there's only 6 stops that the monorail actually does, so pretty quick to get in and out. They have some essential shops and stuff over here. If you're wondering where we came in at, we did the self-park, so if you're renting a car or if you are here living in Las Vegas, this is where you'd come to do that. So right up directly ahead of us, I think you can see where it says cashier, so that's the cashier's cage, so we'll kind of avoid that area here. Got a little Northside Cafe over here. It's a little place to eat over on the right-hand side there. Got some tables right away when you come in, so we'll kind of work our way over on the left-hand side of this one here. Last time I think I gambled here, I did really well too, so good place to come gamble. If you guys want to throw some dollars down, this is definitely a great place to do so. A lot of new machines in this casino. Like I said, this one opened up in 2014, so they really have limited old machines, but they do have some here. I'm actually really impressed with this gimbal and this phone camera quality. It's pretty outstanding. You guys will have to let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this camera setup. I like it a lot, so you'll definitely have to check it out. Looks like they have a new restaurant coming in, a Japanese restaurant over to the right, so you notice all the mountains and snow scenery there. The Christmas theme again. I'm gonna work our way up over here. So foxtail, I don't know what that is. We'll have to check that out one of these days. So this is the entranceway that will take you out towards the front. We'll kind of wrap around to the other side of the casino floor here and take you over there. So if you go straight out those doors, that will take you through to Las Vegas Boulevard. Awesome little Christmas trees there. Never been here over the Christmas holiday, so it's kind of cool to see. What's that, Dana?
But I have a Santa hat on my...
Oh, she was talking about the little sculpture out here. They got a Santa hat on that, so that's pretty sweet. Definitely awesome for the Christmas theme. Kind of work our way around back to the other side of the SLS here. The floor is lighted. I don't know if you can see that. Actually, you can, because I can show you with this camera. So yeah, they have a lighted floor. It's one thing that I absolutely love about this. It has pan, tilt, and zoom. So this gimbal is really, really awesome. It's impressed me The stabilization quality is great. The camera quality is great on the Note 9. So I'm really, really impressed with this setup, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Here's a few places to eat up over here on the left-hand side. So the Foundry and Bazaar Meat is straight ahead. Bazaar Meat almost makes me wonder what kind of meat they serve there. By Jose Andres. Might have to check that out. 800 Degrees Napoleon Pizzeria has moved. It is right over here. So if you guys are wondering where that had moved from, so if you guys remember the old Monte Carlo, now the Park MGM, this 800 Degree Pizzeria used to be over there. So if you guys were wondering where that moved to, that's where it is. It's a little nice ceiling decor up here. I like the little beads that hang down, kind of like it's Mardi Gras. And then here is that one of the Japanese restaurants I was talking about here, Ketsuya. It's not open, but we'll definitely have to check it out one of these times. Oh, sorry about that if that was a little shaky. That was me just switching hands here, guys. Sorry. Here's the part where we walked in on. So I think I will leave off here with this tour of the SLS. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little walkthrough of the SLS Casino and Resort, formerly known as the Old Sahara. But as always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.